Keeping your personal apps secure is one of the best ways to protect your privacy. Whether you want to prevent others from accessing your chats, photos, or banking apps, using an app lock is a quick and effective solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process of locking apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26 using a PIN or pattern. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Google Play Store and search for a trusted app locker, such as AppLock. Before installing, check the app's ratings, reviews, and download count to ensure you're choosing a reliable application. Once you've found a trusted option, tap Install and wait for the download to finish. After the installation is complete, launch the app and begin the setup process. You'll be asked to create a security method for unlocking protected apps. Choose the option that works best for you, whether it's a PIN or pattern. If the app supports fingerprint authentication and your Galaxy S26 has biometric security enabled, you can also turn that on for faster access. Next, the app will display a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Browse through the list and enable protection for the apps you want to keep private. Popular choices include WhatsApp, Gallery, Photos, Messages, Notes, and banking applications. Simply tap the lock icon or toggle switch beside each app to activate protection. To make the app lock work properly, you'll need to grant a few permissions. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable accessibility and any other required permissions in your phone's settings. These permissions allow the app to detect when a protected application is opened and display the lock screen. Once everything is configured, you're all set. Try opening one of the locked apps and you'll be prompted to enter your PIN or pattern before access is granted. This simple setup adds an extra layer of security to your Samsung Galaxy S26 and helps keep your personal information safe from unauthorized users.